In this video, we're going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0xcffff82e in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together, type for ws reset.exe, click on the OK button, then wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you have done it, I want you to check if the error has been fixed. But if not, then move on to the next method, and that is you need to copy this command first, okay? Once you have copied it, paste at your notepad. You can copy it at the YouTube description. Navigate at the bottom search bar, type for CMD. And then once you have typed it, please wait until you can see a best matched, which is the command prompt system. Please click for Run as Administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So I want you to run this command one by one. First is not as such winsock reset. Paste it here, click on the enter key in your keyboard, and once you have done it, proceed to the next one. Copy, paste, proceed to the first one. I said third one rather. Copy, paste, then proceed to the fourth. Copy, paste, and proceed to the last, which is to flash the DNS. Copy and paste, click on the enter key, and then close the window and restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, open the CMD again, and this time you need to copy the second command, paste it here, and then restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, check if the error has been fixed, okay? And that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.